How to use Replit Agent for beginners. I'm going to tell you how to use Replit Agent even if you're just starting out. Replit Agent is an AI tool inside Replit that helps you write, fix, and understand code. It's like having a coding assistant built right into your editor. To use it, first open any project on Replit. On the right side, click the Agent tab. Now type your question, like fix this error or explain this code. The agent will scan your code and respond with suggestions or full explanations. You can also ask it to generate new functions, debug code, or even help you learn concepts, like what a loop does. The best part, you don't need to leave the editor. It works in real time and supports multiple languages like Python, JavaScript, and more. If you're just learning, try asking simple things first. As you get used to it, you can ask more complex coding questions.